In this video, I simply want to show you how to reset your Powerbeats Fit, how to factory reset, fully reset. Okay, so what you need to do is, first of all, make sure that both of them are inserted in the case. Then close the lid and open the lid. Now, I want you to pay an attention to this light over here. We will need to keep press the button that is inside of the case for around 10 seconds until this light turns to red. Then you can lift your finger and the factory reset will begin. So let me demonstrate. I'm pressing the button inside and I'm keeping it pressed until I see the color red over here. As I said, around 10 seconds, so it should happen soon. Still blinking white. Okay, it blinked red. I can lift my finger. And this will last around 2-3 seconds. And at the end, they will be factory resetted. The way to know that it has happened is that the white light should blink the way it is right over here. This means that they are currently in pairing mode. So bring your iPhone, bring your Android, any device you want to connect them to, and you will be able to see them on the other device and connect using Bluetooth. Thanks for watching. If you found this reset tutorial helpful, take a moment, leave a like, but also comment and check my Amazon links down below if you want to get a new pair or any other accessories. See you in the next video.